add some thicker layers to it to do something fancy. Yeah, I'm in that boat. I don't like vegetables. They're gross. I can't do it. The taste and the texture on most veggies, I just can't do it. They're not delicious. They make me throw up. Bacon is my favorite food group. Basically, meat and cheese are my diet, and eggs, which I guess you would just count as meat anyway. I'm on that unofficial Atkins diet. Except I eat lots of carbs. Carbs are delicious. Like, I wish I could eat healthy. I really do. I can't. I've tried. I just don't have it in me. It is not possible. Might cut that one in half and do it as two separate fillets. I'll have to see.
Hello?
Oh, hi. Hey, thanks for the lurk, Bubbles. Hope you're having a great day, Bubby.
Ha ha ha! Skull!
Skull. Trying to figure out if there's a laser cutter for vinyl that might be better than the Cricut. I don't really need it, but it would be nice to know if it exists and isn't like thousands of dollars. Yeah, I'd figured you would have had a better line on that than I would.
spot running.
Ah, loud noises.
Can open up one hyper.
Damn it.
Focusing. It was too zoomed in.
Sorry. All of my tabs are muted and then, like, a bunch of them unmuted. Oops. I think it is, but I also believe that there are laser vinyl cutters. Like, you're not supposed to use, like, the laser that Devin and Derek have for cutting vinyl. Maybe there's not. Oh, a bunch of these just say there's laser positioning. I don't give a shit about laser positioning. But I mean, I also deal with toxic stuff all the time. Just take the appropriate safety precautions. Well, I mean, they can. They can cut anything. But not every laser can cut anything. I don't know, maybe they don't make laser cutters for vinyl. Maybe it just melts or something. I don't know. Well, I know exactly why I want a laser, but the laser that I want and need is large. And also, I mean, I could get one under 10 grand, so I could get a 4-figure one, but it may or may not be good. I don't know, because it's, you know, hit or miss getting that shit shipped out of China. If I bought a reputable one that I know would be good, it's easily 5 figures. But that's because I would want to engrave steel. I don't even need to cut.
Oh,
But
wait,
they're,
you're serious. Let me laugh even harder.
So I'd probably need like a 50-watt fiber laser to engrave steel. But it would make it much easier to do custom engraving with something like that. I'll eat them later. Just save them.